What is going on, everyone? Got all my trucks here. I changed up to 7.3. What happened to my Lariat 6.7? I had to sell this because I needed a 6.7 Power Stroke. That would be good enough. I couldn't use my. That would be good. That would be good for work, just in case. The Sun 3 is, but I couldn't have used my blue Ford, but I would use it. It's just I didn't really want to, so I just decided to sell my Lariat for this. It's got 1,500. It's got 1,050 horsepower. I found a Ram T-Rex in my pond over there, and it's gonna look like it's rusty. No, it's not rusted. The body is rough, and the paint's messed up. And I found it's that T-Rex. I heard that the motor was shocked, so somebody put it in there. So somebody probably put it in the junkyard and probably put it here without me knowing. But we might tow it out with my 2001 second gen Cummins. It's got 37s on it on a 3-inch leveling kit, I believe. This thing does not rub at all. But this thing's got fuel rims on it, everything match. So we're gonna take the 2001 Ram 2500 with the VP44 24 valve Cummins to tow out that Ram T-Rex. I could show you where it's at. Right there. You should probably look at it, what year it is. Let me look at the year. It's a 2020. It's a 2024. Guys, it's not rusted. It's just the body is rough and we need to fix the paint, but the motor's shocked, so it does not run. I thought it was gonna be a 23, but wait, no, it's not a 24. Let me look again. That's not a 24. Yeah, it's a 2023 Ram 1500 T-Rex shot. The motor is shocked. Let me tell you how you can know, because you can always look at the thing in this thing. But we're gonna tow it out. We're gonna tow this truck out with the second generator. Now use the winch. I'm gonna go in front of the thing. Alright, I think we got it. Let me try pulling out with the second gen. Come on, give it. I gotta push it. There's more power in there. Alright, let me disconnect the winch real quick. Line it back up. This thing does got a bull bar on it. So my grill. So if I crash it, the grill and the bumper won't get destroyed or the headlight. So if the bull bar gets destroyed, I can just put a new bull bar on it. I know, pretty smart. So we're gonna try to stand in front of the tire because you're strong. That does not look good. The wheel came off. You have to fix that part. But no, the thing's not rusted. The motor's shot on this one, so this motor doesn't even work. As you can tell, it runs like absolute garbage. It's not gonna turn. But oh shoot, Yeah, we might have to tow it out like this. I think I know how we're gonna get this thing towed out. Let's get this. We're going under the tire. As you can tell. Alright. Come on. So as you can tell, and guys, it is winter in my server right now, but I'm not complaining. We are gonna get this thing loaded up with my trailer. I should probably use my trailer. I might use this one, my 21 and my 24 Duramax, but my 24 Duramax though. Yo, one of my subscribers doing. But as being said, we're gonna grab the cable, attach it. Love it, you're dead. Sorry about that. But anyways, we're gonna get this thing all loaded up, and as you can tell, this thing will not move. The motor is shocked. Like I just said. Honestly, bro, we could. What if we go grab the tow strap? Honestly, bro, I'm gonna get this loaded up. I'm gonna try to get this. I think I could get it with just a wrench, and then I have to go to Plane Tools. Oh wait, never mind. Maybe that was a glitch or something. Maybe. Alrighty. Well, we're gonna grab the cable and probably attach it to here. Oh yeah, we're cooked. Oh, let me. This is gonna be a tricky load. But hey, we can do it. With the second gen Cummins. Hopefully we can get this loaded up okay. I think we can. I turned a little bit. But the motor will like barely run and start. Yeah, we're cooked. We're gonna have to use alright, I'm gonna go run and get the tow strap because instead that'll be much easier. Got the 2001 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. Yeah. I honestly love this pickup. Really nice truck. Got like 420 horsepower, 415. It's like around 400 horsepower. 420 horsepower. The machine is completely stock, but I don't know. 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 I don't know does roll cool though, because whatever thing it is on the truck, got this beautiful Super Grand coming. Better than Duramax. I don't like Duramax. Because Duramax has been having me charms for the last 5 years. And Cummins and PowerShell are one of the most reliable trucks. This guy with the... Oh, no. Never mind. But let's park in the handicap. Oh yeah, look.
Guys, I pretend I'm on handicap, so we can't let him know. It looks like I'm about to fall.
He said it's for... He said it's for free because I was acting like I was handicapped. Hee hee.
Gotta go.
And that poor handicap. Guys, I cannot believe I went past by that. That was like the closest spot I could barely use. I'm playing with all my subscribers. What time is it? Not gonna lie. Hold on, let me pull over for a sec. Guys, sorry about that. This guy is gonna beat me because the Ram T-Rex is faster than the second gen. Oh wait, did he come and swap his Ram T-Rex? But with my Ram T-Rex, the first episode is gonna be fixing up the paint and stuff. But like around the 4th of July, I might change this back to regular season. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Yeah, let me find some water. Oh, there's some water. Yo, yes sir. Let me time it to 11. Actually, like 12 in the afternoon. Give me a sec. Alright. Got 88% of diesel fuel left. So as soon as if it gets halfway or like runs out, I'm gonna have to fill up some diesel, but I'm not complaining. It does have some diesel. Actually though, it kinda looks like a lowrider. Like there you go. It doesn't look like a lowrider. But I'm not gonna complain. This truck will still tow no matter what. Alright, well shoot. I don't know what's happening, but I don't think it's second gen. It's not even trying to start. I don't know how it's moving. Oh shoot, hold on. Thing's about to says this thing's about to shut off in a second. There you go. Maybe there's a glitch. But we're gonna get the Ram T-Rex in the shop, fix up the paint, take out the bed. Because the bed has some scratches on there. And then that's episode 1. Tomorrow is tomorrow for the build. Tomorrow for the build. But guys, don't worry, I will change this season back to summer. I'm just doing this season for a little bit, and then I'm gonna just keep it winter until like October or November. I'll make it winter. But that being said, since I couldn't get it loaded up with the trailer, we're gonna be using this. Oh, wait a second. But this thing will make it like no problem. Let's hop in this old 2nd gen. Oh. Try to get it up the hill. Uh-oh. Ah, shoot. Come on, you little sucker. Yes, sir, we got it. Barely. Come on. Got my 2001 Cummins here. Let me just find my 2nd gen real quick. Try to get this thing in the shop. Yo, I'm pushing it though. But we're gonna pull off the bed and then fix up the paint. Just pretend it didn't start, because I was trying to turn it. But the engine is shocked, so you might pull off the front, take off the paint to see what it looks like without a paint, and then, we're gonna just spray paint it with like we're gonna like paint it with not like paint, like a body paint work that looks like a paint but not paint. Come on. Come on. Alright, I might use the 2nd gen. Don't ask why I'm using it. And then, yeah. I might upload this tonight, like 1 minute before I go to bed, or maybe tomorrow. You never know. Okay. Uh-oh. Yo, bro, I got it. Yo, actually, though, I did kind of get it. And then let me respawn my 2nd gen. I did buy a 1st gen yesterday. It's a 1991 Cummins. We're gonna just... Whoops. Alright. Alright, well, we got the Ram in the shop. I'll let you guys know how this goes, so I'll be back. And yeah. Back up. This is how the Ram T-Rex turned out. I put it on these aftermarket rims. Just put it on these exhaust pipes that barely come on, but these tires are slipping off. These rims are slipping off, and the suspension is fault in the suspension, and I took out the suspension, so it's kind of like that. But I'm gonna put a new suspension in it, some new wheels, fix the frame and suspension and all that stuff. But I made it this really nice green color that I made, but it might change one day. But it might change a little bit. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, and see you in the next video. Peace.